This next image brings us deeper into the Tarantula Nebula, specifically an area known as NGC 2060. It's technically a star cluster, but unlike dense regions like R136 or Hodge 301, the stars here are much more loosely scattered. In fact, they're no longer gravitationally bound to one another. In just a few million years, the entire stellar group will disperse completely. This region is estimated to be about 10 million years old. But what makes it truly fascinating is what lies at its core. The entire NGC 2060 region is actually a supernova remnant, spanning over 165 light-years across. Scientists believe that a supernova explosion occurred here about 4,000 to 5,000 years ago. Supporting this theory is the presence of a pulsar, a fast-spinning neutron star left behind after a massive star's collapse. This pulsar matches the estimated age of the explosion. But here's the thing, you can't see it with visible light. That's because it doesn't emit in the optical spectrum. It emits X-rays. To detect it, astronomers use telescopes like Chandra X-ray Observatory, which allow us to peer into energetic remnants otherwise invisible to the human eye. If you look at the center of this vast cosmic bubble, you'll find the pulsar, hidden in plain sight. And that bubble? It's the shockwave of the original supernova, still expanding, still reshaping the space around it thousands of years later. A reminder that even in death, stars leave echoes, ripples of energy, radiation, and mystery that can persist for millennia.